So, guys, I'm going to be making slime today. I'm going to show you how to make slime with glue sticks. So, this. Right, so you have to cut this. They have a bowl. You're supposed to have your glue, this, some soap, and this. So you cut off the glue, you put it inside the container. Then you take a spoon and you mix it with the glue inside it, and just mix. So now you will have to make slime. No. Tutu. So after you're done mix it up, you're going to take your soap. It's just an inch of
Want to open it?
You will put it. You will make your own. So you're going to take
One scoop. One scoop.
I'm just going to put a little bit inside.
Pana, come.
That's money. So bring it back. Right. And then you mix it up with the glue. Put a stain, mix it nice. Close that and head out.
I get fluffy slime.
Mini shush.
Yeah. Okay.
Right? So you're gonna keep mixing. Like this, so kind of hard, you know. Right? So you're gonna take some more stuff.
Asha, let me and you do it. Yes, Oliver, see my slime.
Then you're gonna put it inside. It's it's too hard still. And you're just gonna make this. Just gonna keep mixing.
Oh,
Hey,
good.
what you slap him for? Money. Yeah. He slapped money.
That's how I had money. Why had money? Say sorry.
Guys, I added a little bit more soap.
I'm gonna make a big one. We're gonna play with it after.
So you can see it's making
Yes,
some
close
slime.
your eyes, close your eyes.
So you can see it's turning the slime. Just gonna mix
So
it
don't-
and take it out. Ready? Now it's
Leave
shut
it.
to do. What is that?
That is.
Daddy will think Fifi.
I see it just now.
Daddy will think in there. What has been there? What I drink?
A flower.
It just now.
Slime boy. And the good thing always.
That is nothing to drink.
Look, I like thing to drink. Tea.
Just leave it now. Okay, I got to move now.
My son. No, like tea dog. Oh, good. No.
I'll just stop it.
Big money. Big money. I'm $800.
I
I have 17. Yes, $17. 17, 18, no, 18, 2. No. 18, yes.
So you see the slime, and I'm just gonna take it out.
Oh, good. It's slime.
Nope, it's not slime yet.
Yeah.
just the feeling of the world.
Oh.
Okay, mommy, so come make yours. So we're just gonna put, right? So when you put the glue, you're just gonna throw the soup inside, cover it back, cover it. Just cover it and mix it again. Right? So I'm gonna take over mixing now. Right? So you see how to do it? You have to mix it plenty with the glue because the glue does sting it up. The glue make it harder. No, money, don't do that. Don't do that.
I'm going to take some
I don't
water.
want to go.
Some water. Okay. Gonna put in there. I'm going to make a big flower. Okay. And I'm going to carry it.
Okay, so what you're gonna do is take this. Put it inside it.
Yeah, add some water.
No.
Yeah, a little bit.
Put it. Okay, I added some water in it. And as you can see inside, that's how it looks. And there we go. Mix it.
Again.
That is a winter drink.
Hey, soap.
There we go. We got our slime.
What eating soup? The soup.
Just don't
How to
feel-
feel his eye? Take it.
So we got
Good,
some
good.
slime, right?
It puts a stick on your hand.
So here's a slime.
I put it in the microwave for a minute. Ah, you have to top up big on the big.
So that's not working. So
Yeah, but drink some water.
to mix this up.
And you put the water back in the bottle.
Okay, so
Oh, good. Good. The teeth fall out.
I'll go and tell mommy.